Hello there. I'm an 84-year-old eye surgeon with over 6 decades of experience caring for people's vision. Over the years, I've seen how diet can help protect your eyes. Today, I'm sharing 5 simple drinks that can boost your eye health and help you see clearer as you age. Imagine waking up each morning feeling confident that your eyes are getting the care they need. No fancy pills, just delicious drinks you can make at home. From bright orange juices to leafy green blends, each of these drinks is packed with nutrients your eyes love. Before we begin, here's a quick favor. If you find these tips helpful, please click the like button and subscribe. It really helps more viewers discover these expert tips, and I'll keep bringing you more simple ways to support your health. Ready to unlock the power of these eye-loving drinks? Let's count them down from 5 to 1, saving the best for last. Grab your blender or kettle, and let's get started. Drink 5. Carrot juice. Carrot juice is one of the simplest and most effective ways to give your eyes a nutrient boost each morning. Carrots are famously rich in beta-carotene, a plant pigment that your body converts into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining clear corneas and supporting low-light vision. To prepare your juice, wash and peel about 4 large, firm carrots. Cut them into chunks and feed them through a juicer, or blend with half a cup of water and strain through a fine sieve for a smoother texture. When you sip this bright orange juice, you deliver a concentrated dose of beta-carotene directly into your system. For flavor variation and extra benefits, stir in a teaspoon of freshly grated ginger or a squeeze of lemon. Ginger adds a gentle, warming quality and helps your body absorb nutrients, while lemon provides vitamin C to protect cells from damage. If you prefer a sweeter taste, add half an apple or a small piece of fresh pineapple before juicing, but be mindful of added sugars. Ideally, drink carrot juice on an empty stomach about 20 minutes before breakfast to maximize absorption. Store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours, shaking well before serving. Over time, regular intake of carrot juice can help strengthen the thin tissues of your eyes, reduce dryness, and support overall retinal health. As an 84-year-old eye surgeon, I've seen patients experience clearer vision and fewer complaints of nighttime glare when they make this juice a daily ritual. Give yourself a week to notice how your eyes respond, and you may find this simple habit becomes a key part of your wellness routine. Drink 4. Orange juice. Fresh orange juice is more than just a refreshing treat. It's a powerful ally for your eye health. Oranges contain high levels of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that helps protect the tiny blood vessels in your eyes from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C also plays an important role in collagen production, which keeps the tissues around your eyes strong and flexible. To make this drink, peel and section 3 to 4 ripe oranges, removing any seeds. Use a juicer to extract the juice, or blend the sections with a splash of water and strain for a silky finish. If you'd like to boost both fiber and flavonoid content, include a bit of the white pith when juicing, or blend the whole peeled fruit and then strain less thoroughly. The pith contains bioflavonoids that improve vitamin C absorption and support healthy circulation. For a zesty twist, stir in a teaspoon of fresh mint leaves or a tiny pinch of turmeric powder. Turmeric adds anti-inflammatory benefits, while mint cools and soothes. Drink your orange juice with breakfast or as a mid-morning snack to give your eyes a steady supply of protective antioxidants throughout the day. Store any extra in a sealed glass jar in the fridge and consume within 24 hours to preserve nutrient levels. Avoid adding sugar or artificial sweeteners. The natural sweetness of the fruit provides all the flavor you need. In my 6 decades of eye practice, I've observed that patients who regularly enjoy freshly squeezed orange juice report fewer symptoms of dry eye and better overall eye comfort. Make it part of your daily routine, and you'll be nourishing your vision one bright glass at a time. Drink 3. Green tea. Green tea is a centuries-old beverage valued for its gentle yet powerful health benefits, and your eyes are no exception. The real hero in green tea is catechins, a group of antioxidants known for reducing inflammation and defending cells from oxidative damage. Those protective effects extend to the sensitive tissues inside your eyes. To brew the perfect cup, heat water to around 175 degrees, just below boiling, and steep 1 green tea bag or 1 teaspoon of loose leaves for 3 to 5 minutes. If you use boiling water or steep too long, the flavor may turn bitter, and some health compounds can break down. Once it's ready, you can sip your green tea plain, or add a splash of lemon juice to boost vitamin C levels. Honey or a slice of fresh ginger also makes a pleasant addition without overwhelming the delicate taste. For a cold version, let the tea cool to room temperature, then pour over ice and garnish with mint leaves or cucumber slices. Green tea contains a modest amount of caffeine, just enough to wake you up without causing jitters, and the hydration helps maintain healthy tear film and eye lubrication. Drinking 1 to 2 cups a day keeps a constant stream of catechins flowing through your bloodstream, where they travel to the retina and optic nerve to offer ongoing protection. In my many years of practice, patients who integrate green tea into their routine often experience fewer episodes of eye strain and report that colors appear more vivid. Consider replacing 1 cup of coffee with green tea, and notice the gentle energy boost alongside clearer, more comfortable vision. Drink 2. Blueberry smoothie. Blueberries are small but mighty when it comes to eye support. These little berries are packed with anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that research suggests can improve night vision and strengthen the tiny blood vessels in the retina. To turn them into a delicious smoothie, start with 1 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries and add half a ripe banana for natural creaminess. Next, include a half cup of plain yogurt or a plant-based milk alternative to add protein and calcium. If you want extra fiber, toss in a tablespoon of chia seeds or a handful of spinach. These ingredients blend right in without changing the flavor much. Once everything is in your blender, pulse until smooth. If you prefer a thinner texture, add a splash of cold water or milk. For a touch of sweetness, drizzle in a teaspoon of honey or pure maple syrup, but aim to keep added sugars minimal so the antioxidant benefits shine through. Pour your smoothie into a tall glass and enjoy immediately. Freshly blended berries deliver the highest nutrient value. You can also prepare freezer packs in advance. Combine berries, sliced banana, and spinach in individual bags and store them in the freezer. When you're ready, just dump 1 pack into the blender with yogurt or milk. This makes it easy to grab a nutrient-dense drink even on busy mornings. In my surgical experience, patients who drink this smoothie regularly notice less eye fatigue and report feeling more alert. Proof that a tasty drink can support both your eyes and overall well-being. Drink 1. Spinach and apple juice. At the top of our list is a bright green juice that pairs 2 nutritional champions, spinach and apple. Spinach is loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, pigments that accumulate in the retina and function like a natural sunshade, filtering out harmful blue light. Apples contribute not only sweetness, but also vitamin C and fiber, supporting healthy blood flow to your eyes. To prepare, wash 2 generous handfuls of fresh spinach leaves and 1 medium-sized apple. There's no need to peel the apple. Its skin holds most of the fiber and antioxidants. Core the apple, then process the spinach and apple together in a juicer. If you don't have a juicer, blend with a small amount of water and strain through cheesecloth for a smooth finish. For flavor variety, add a 1/4-inch slice of ginger or half a stalk of celery before juicing. Ginger adds a subtle zing and anti-inflammatory properties, while celery brings extra hydration and electrolytes. Drink this green elixir first thing in the morning to kickstart your day with a powerful dose of eye-loving nutrients. Any leftover juice can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 24 hours. Just give it a quick shake before pouring. In my 60 years of eye practice, I've seen patients benefit greatly from this combination. Regular intake helps reduce eye dryness, protect against age-related macular changes, and improve overall visual comfort. Make this juice a daily habit, and you'll be giving your eyes top-tier support in every bright leafy green sip. And that's our deep dive into 5 simple nutrient-packed drinks to keep your eyes bright and strong. I hope you give them a try. Your vision is worth every sip. Let me know in the comments which drink you love most, or share your own favorite recipes for eye health. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. It only takes a second and helps me bring more easy health tips your way. Don't forget to tap the bell icon so you'll be the first to know when a new video goes live. Thank you for watching, take care of your eyes, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.